This filthy thing is my own bike. This is a 2012 Kawasaki Versys 1000. It has about 32,500 miles on it. And I bought it about 2 years ago. It was super cheap. And indeed, that's one of the main reasons I bought it. I told myself, ooh, cheap bike. But of course, you know the problem with a cheap bike, there's usually a reason that it's cheap. And in this case, the reason is that it needs a lot of work. So, 2 years in, I've decided I'm gonna finally start doing some of that work. Step one, wash this bike. And I don't mean just throw some water at it, I mean wash it properly. That means removing the fairing, getting into every nook and cranny, and then putting on some protectant. Doing that will make it easier as I go through the process of doing all the other jobs. The next step is to repair the broken fairing. It turns out there's a little hook right about here in the fairing. I didn't know that whenever I first removed the fairing, and so I broke it. So now I've got to fix it. I need to replace both mirrors, replace the hand grips, replace the clutch cable, replace the brake cable, clean the front and rear brake calipers, replace the brake pads, flush and replace the brake fluid, replace the side stand because the bike leans over too far, grease the swing arm, replace the chain and sprocket, flush and replace the coolant, replace the clutch plates, replace the steering head bearing, replace rusty bolts. I guess I don't need to do that, but I kind of want to. And of course, I need to give it a full service. That's oil, oil filter, air filter, spark plugs, and valve clearances, which is a job I've never done before. But here's the thing, I don't have any professional training. I don't really have that much mechanical experience or know-how. On most of my bikes, all I've ever done are oil changes. You know, oil, oil filter, air filter, sometimes spark plugs. I've done brake pads. That's about it. Probably the biggest job I've ever done was replacing the radiator on a Honda CBF 1000. And between you and me, I'm not sure I did a very good job. But I'm sure everything will be fine because, hey, I've got a Haynes manual and the unfettered confidence of a middle-aged white male. What could possibly go wrong?